Hello students, welcome physics class. Today we are going to discuss some applications of thermal expansion. There are numerous applications of thermal expansion of solid, liquids and gases in our daily life. So some important applications we will discuss here. So here the first application is while laying railway tracks, a small gap is left between two successive rails to make room for thermal expansion. As we know that in the summer when the temperature is very high, these rails which are made from the metal or an alloy, they start expanding. So there is a room or gap or space for these thermal expansions. If it is not done, the rail may bend due to thermal expansion in summer and it may cause accidents. Look at that. So that is why this gap is providing, and if it is not done, look at that, it will be bent like that and it may cause the accident. So that is why gap is providing always between the two rails. Now look at that. Concrete floors are laid in small blocks with small gap between the blocks. It allows expansion of blocks during summer and the floor does not crack. Look at that. If these gaps are not providing in the concrete floors, then what will happen? In the summer it will start expanding, because there is, if you are not providing any gap, then it will start cracking. Look at that. The road will be cracked. If the gaps are providing in the small gaps are providing, then it will allow that thermal expansion and road will be safe, concrete floor will be safe. Now look at that. This is the wooden wheel of a cart or a tonga. Look at that, the iron ring outside this, it is always a little smaller in diameter than that of the wooden wheel. Why it is so? Before fitting the rims are heated so that they expands. सो हीट करते हैं पहले उसको, रिम को, रिम जो है क्योंकि वो मेटल का होगा, आयरन का होगा यूजुअली, एंड इट विल बी स्टार्ट एक्सपेंडिंग एंड फ्लाई ओवर द व्हील्स आफ्टर फिटिंग. तो जब व्हील्स पर को चढ़ा देते हैं, देन आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर फिटिंग, cold water is poured on them so that they contract and grip the wheel tightly. So after cooling it will start contracting and it grip the whole wooden wheel very tightly. So look at that in this. Look at that. After cooling, now they are tightly grip the wooden wheel. Now look at that. Telephone and electric wires, cables connected between the two poles are intentionally kept loose. तो दो पोल्स के बीच में जब इस तार को बांधते हैं तो उनको इंटेंशनली क्या लूज रखा जाता है. तो समर में क्या होगा कि दे विल स्टार्ट एक्सपेंडिंग एंड प्रोवाइडिंग विद सम सैग between the wires. So and in the winter what will be happen? To prevent their snapping when they contract in winter में वो contract का जो snapping हो सकती है. So that is why they kept loose between the two ends of the two poles. So these are the metal pipes which are used to carrying hot water, steam or other hot liquids, have joints in the form of loops at regular intervals. जो joint होते हैं इनमें, so look at that, there are in the shape of some loops, curves डाली जाती है इसमें when the temperature changes, because they are carrying a hot water, liquid, steam and other hot liquids. Then what will be, temperature will be changed gradually. The expansion or contraction of pipes only changes the curvature of loops and there is no damage of the to the pipeline. So कर्व पे इनका इफेक्ट होगा, ये एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, देन एंड देयर इज नो इफेक्ट ऑन द length of the other pipe, so it prevent the damage to the pipeline. And you have seen that when hot tea or milk is poured into a thick walled glass tumbler, sometimes it cracks, because जब हम hot milk और कोई भी hot things और tea इसमें डाल दें, व्हाट विल बी हैपन, जो इनर साइड होती है टम्बलर की वो एकदम से एक्सपैंड हो जाती है, एक्सपैंड सडनली ड्यू टू राइज इन टेम्परेचर, बट आउटर साइड डज नॉट एक्सपैंड बिकॉज द टेम्परेचर इज डाउन. सो टू अवॉइड दिस पॉसिबिलिटी, अगर आप इसको अवॉइड करने दें, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अ मेटालिक स्पून इज प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द ग्लास tumbler. The spoon absorbs heat from the hot tea or milk and so prevent the glass from cracking. Now look at that. This is the bridge. Bridges are generally made from the steel and they are not fixed in the walls or the pillars on the both sides but are mounted on the rollers and providing some gap, look at that, between the pillar and the bridge, because it avoids any damage to the bridge due to expansion in summer and contraction in winter. Look at that. There is some gap which allow the thermal expansion in the summer. It is not fixed. And on the other side, mounted on the pillar, on the roller, so it will also avoid the thermal expansion in summer and contraction in winter. Now here look at that, it's a thermometer and thermal expansion of mercury and alcohol is used in the thermometer. So this is the application of thermal expansion of a liquid. So it is the most commonly used instrument and it is the property of the thermal expansion of a liquid. Now this is the application of thermal expansion of gases. So what happened, as we know that on heating the gases expands more than that of solids and liquids. So look at that, it stretches the bag so that it expands and displaces the colder air outside the bag. So what will be happen, जो colder air की बाहर निकल जाएगी, जो expanded air है, hotter air है, वो उसमें expand हो जाएगी. So this is the basic principle of the hot balloon. Now another is a bimetallic strip, that is thermal expansion of solids. So bimetallic strips are used in thermostats for automatic control of temperature in electric irons, electric ovens, geysers, refrigerators, etc. As you know that all are the automatically controlled of temperature. आपको पता कि आयरन बहुत ज़्यादा हीट अप हो जाए तो अपने आप उसका कट आउट हो जाता है, दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो नहीं करेगी और वो वापस अपने नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे आ जाएगी. देन आफ्टर दैट अगेन स्टार्ट इट विल बी. So it is depend upon the bimetallic strip. As we know that bimetallic strip is a strip of made from the two different metals having different thermal expansion for the same rise in temperature for the same time. Also bimetallic strips are also used as electric circuit and breakers, electric circuit breakers, and as switches to trigger fire alarms. Now look at that, this activity, this is the bimetallic strip made from copper and iron. Look at that. So here upper is the copper and nickel. What happened कि when the temperature rises due to some reason, अगर कहीं पर आग लग जाती है, then what will happen, look at that, इसका temperature increase करेगा, then it will start expanding. So look at that, here the circuit will be completed and bell, this is the buzzer alarm, will start ringing. So it is the safety precaution we are using. Now this is another example, practical application of thermal expansion of gases. Now here we have the car tires. So generally car tires are filled with less air during summer. समर में कार में जो प्रेशर रखा जाता है एयर का वो कम रखा जाता है, मीन टू से कि लेस एयर फिल की जाती है ड्यूरिंग द ड्राइविंग, बिकॉज इट अलो फॉर द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एयर इन द टायर्स व्हेन द कार इज ड्राइवन ऑन द रोड, and it prevents the bursting of tires when air inside it is heated up during a long drive. Long drive करने के बाद then what will be happen, फ्रिक्शन के कारण टायर की और रोड की जो एयर है वो उसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेगा एयर का और वो एक्सपैंड होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. इफ़ द प्रेशर इज़ मोर, अगर आपने प्रेशर कम नहीं रखा, बहुत ज़्यादा रखा हुआ है, मीन टू से कि आपने एयर ज़्यादा भरी हुई है अकॉर्डिंगली, देन व्हाट विल बी हैपन, इट विल बी बस्ट, तो वो एक्सपैंड होगी, टायर का जो वॉल्यूम वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, तो ब्रस्ट आउट हो जाएगा. सो टू प्रिवेंट एनी टाइप ऑफ दैट एक्सीडेंट, so that is why the car tires are filled with the less air during summer.